Good day. Welcome to Meditation with Finance, Tech, and News YouTube channel. I hope this video helps you. NeuroMeditation, the science behind mindfulness and mental clarity. Welcome to NeuroMeditation. In this session, we will explore the science behind meditation, dispel common myths, and uncover the fascinating neuroscience that supports this practice. Through this journey, you will not only learn meditation, but also gain a deeper understanding of emotional regulation and how to enhance your executive functions. The power of meditation. Meditation isn't just about relaxation, it's a tool to improve decision-making, sharpen attention, boost focus, and regulate mood. It helps us differentiate between constructive and unhelpful thoughts, ultimately leading to a clearer and more balanced mind. What is meditation? Before we dive into techniques, let's define meditation. Whether you're completely new to it or an experienced practitioner, this course is designed to guide you through the fundamentals and intricacies of how meditation impacts the brain. Think about this. Have you ever been driving and suddenly realized you reached your destination without remembering the journey? That state of mind, where awareness drifts, is linked to the Theta brainwave state. We will explore different brainwave states, alpha, beta, theta, and delta, as we progress through this course. Meditation. Simple yet challenging. Meditation is easy to understand but can be challenging to practice. A common misconception is that meditation is something you do. In reality, meditation is something that happens. The key is preparation, creating the right conditions for meditation to occur naturally. Meditation, a personal journey. Meditation is not a one-size-fits-all practice. Some view it as a trendy topic discussed in seminars and social events, but in reality, it is deeply personal and unique for each individual. I remember watching my meditation teacher sitting in stillness for hours, wondering what was happening in her mind. When I tried to sit and meditate, my mind flooded with to-do lists, past experiences, and future concerns. Many of you might relate to this struggle. The moment we try to quiet the mind, it often becomes more active. The true purpose of meditation. The essence of meditation is quieting the mind. But how do we do that? Does posture matter? Should we use specific hand positions, known as mudras? Can meditation be practiced while lying down or even through movement, like dance? Throughout this course, we will answer these questions and break down meditation into practical, actionable steps. Join us as we unlock the neuroscience behind meditation and make this transformative practice accessible to everyone. I hope that the videos of my YouTube channel Meditation with Finance, Tech, and News will help you in living a healthy and happy life. Thank you.